Just to go was just fantastic. I mean, you arrive and you're overwhelmed by the scale of what they're doing there. I mean, I think there was over 50,000 people, I think is the number that was given. And you arrive at the conference and it's huge. It takes an hour and a half to get there, and you arrive and it's just full of people, full of events. You can choose what you want to go to as a participant, so you can go and listen to experts, or you can go and be part of a big conference hall of 300 people voting on what they see the key issues are. The outcome of the conference itself, I absolutely would agree that civil society kind of were displeased, to say the least, I think. And I think there's some people came back, or the governments often come back saying actually it's half full, when actually it didn't really deliver the step change that we probably need kind of to deliver on sustainable development and address the issues that we're facing globally and environmentally. I think the key thing now is actually if we can deliver on those principles. So I think the SD bill is almost going to kind of be the test bed of now of kind of what if Wales is going to stand by its principles and its rhetoric and deliver what needs to be done through the SD bill. So it's interesting times.